Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm installing again the 12-inch faux locs, so let's get into it. So as you guys know, I installed these faux locs a while ago. I did individual crochet and I'm gonna leave a link for you guys to see that installation because today I'm gonna do something different. As you can see, I have sort of braided down my hair. This is like an illusion braid. I don't know how's that called. I saw it somewhere online. If I find the video, I'll leave it down below. But essentially, I just took up rubber bands and tied them. I sectioned the hair into rubber bands and I tied them. And I braid each section and I added that section to the next, and that's essentially what I did. And I had 6 long braids in the back which I just pinned down, and that's how I have in my hair right now. So essentially what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna install this, crocheting it into the hair, and on these parts I'll be crocheting it here in between the hair where the actual hair tie is, and in between the hair just to fill in spots. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if you remember, I think I bought like 6 packs of 12 individual faux locs, and I only used in that installation I think around 4.5 maybe. So, and you guys know that when I took it out, oh, there's a storm coming. When I took it out, many, unraveled and it's messy. So some of them I have to replace with new ones, which actually the other 2.5 packs are gonna just serve just right for this installation. Which is actually, I'm happy because, as you can see, they are looking a little bit rough. But I like the roughness. It just gives it a natural look. So let me just start here by taking this out, and I'm gonna use the old ones in the back of my hair and the new ones in the front, just because the new ones are tighter and look better. So let me just take this or tie this just to show you what I think I should be doing. I'm new to this, so just gonna take one and I'm gonna get my crochet needle. As you guys haven't seen a crochet needle, this is how she looks. She has this tiny thing that opens up and closes, so you crochet the hair this way. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna start in the back, of course, and I'm gonna push the crochet needle where I think it's good for the hair, and I'm just gonna put it in, loop in the needle, close the latch, pull through, release the needle, which is a bit hard, find the loop again, and pull through the lock through the loop, and there you go. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna time it because essentially this type of installation should save you time. And I remember when I installed it individually, it actually took me around 2 days to make it, in between braiding the hair and preparing for the installation, and a whole another day doing the installation. So far I've only used 1 day, maybe 8 hours braiding the hair because I'm not used to this. So I'll say it takes a couple of hours just to braid down the hair. And I'm hoping this type of installation, as you see, it was super easy and it's secure into my head, take less time. So let's see. I'm just gonna start and I'll be back when I'm essentially done. Let's start the clock. guys, I finished. um, oh, forgot. So stop. So it took me 1 hour and 24 minutes, almost 1 hour and 25 to install all these faux locs. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like they're, you know, a little bit iffy for some reason. You know, I have pinned down my hair, so it feels a little weird, especially in the back. But you guys tell me how it looks. Remember, this is the first time I'm putting this with this technique. So you guys tell me how it looks. I think it looks okay, but I'll have to look at it in a bigger mirror, because you know, I've been watching myself in these two tiny mirrors just to check that I'm covering everything and that it's barely none of my braids are exposed. But I think it's okay. I mean, you have to take into consideration that I'm not an expert doing this. This is just only the second time I actually install faux locs, and honestly, to be a beginner and to not know what I'm actually doing, I think I did a great job. Hopefully it won't be a mess to take it off, and it will last a couple of days, hopefully. So I'll keep you posted online on my Instagram, so if you have not following me over there, go and follow me. But yeah, this is my result. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at PanaCurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!